And the last 6 packs. It starts with a Boring Storm, Metal Greymon, V-Nova Blast, Agumon Expert, Okuvamon, Beelzemon, Andromon, Cherrymon, Metaletemon, Tapirmon, TK, and Infermon. Blastfire, Digitamamon, Hearts Attack, Mushroomon, Monzaimon, Spiral Sword, Chumon, Yagamon, Boltmon, Sirenmon, Kari, and Millenniummon. That's a new one too. Is it the alternative art or... Dun, dun, dun. I actually have the website open, so okay, it's the normal. And the next pack starts with Kokubamon, Piximon, Digitamamon, Numemon, Hornbuster, Tsukaimon, Pagumon, Palmon, Megadramon, Ver1.0 Infermon, and Wogwaymon. Also a new one. Ooh, 3 more packs to go. And I think that's also the same amount of chances for Beelzemon and Katarasmon. Gorillamon, Ogremon, Nitrate, Monzaimon, Monodramon, Bergarurumon, Gartramon, Miotismon, Boltmon, Titamon, Engemon, and Tanimon, which reduces the chances to 2. Come on, Dark Masters. Smashed Potatoes, Mushroomon, Flarisamon, Great Tornado, Frigimon, Golden Ripper, Pumpkinmon, Radiation Blade, Growlmon, Lodaleomon, Mimi, and Puppetmon. I don't think Holy Engemon, Shine Greymon, and Gallantmon will give me one of the cards I really want. Boring Storm, Toy Agumon, Vilemon, Dark Tyrannomon, Gabumon, Frigimon, Okuvamon, Freemon, Sirenmon, Darkmon, Infinity Cannon and Chimeramon. Well, I didn't have that one either, so I guess it was an okay display. I was really surprised that it gave so many cards that I didn't have from the first one. But well, maybe next time I get Beelzemon and Katarasmon. See ya.